of today's program, may I now invite Professor Joseph Lee, the Chairman of the Research Grants Council, to give us an opening remarks. Professor Lee, please.
Thank you. Heads of institutions, colleagues, ladies and gentlemen, good evening. It's my pleasure to welcome you to this online workshop. This is the first time this workshop is conducted in virtual mode. Zoom meetings and seminars seem to have become a norm. COVID-19 pandemic, which has affected all facets of life, from business to education to the way we work. We are facing unprecedented challenges and opportunities. The pandemic has also inspired many innovative research ideas, and many academics in Hong Kong have contributed to combat this epidemic, from identifying the new coronavirus to research on optimal social spacing, use of smart technology to trace routes of infection, to detecting COVID-19 virus in our sewage, and advising on public health policy. And universities have a role to assist with the social and economic development of a society. And the value of research manifests itself prominently in these critical times. In the knowledge economy, university education must be informed by research. The Carnegie Foundation defines 3 types of scholarship: scholarship of discovery, scholarship of integration, and scholarship of teaching. And regardless of the form of scholarship, research is the key. And it is in this spirit that the Research Grants Council launched the 3 competitive funding schemes for the self-financing degree sector in 2013, namely the Faculty Development Scheme, the Interinstitutional Development Scheme, as well as the Institutional Development Scheme, embracing the Research Infrastructure Grant as well as the Collaborative Research Grant. Since 2013, RGC has funded 463 projects with a total allocation of 524 million. In the just completed 7th round of the exercise, we received a record high of 308 applications, resulting in a record high of successful applications, 83 in total. I believe that a vibrant research culture is being developed in the self-financing degree sector, and I hope that you can all maintain this research momentum and continue to support good proposals for funding to support your good and exciting research ideas. The call for the 8th round of exercise has been issued earlier this month, and today we have a workshop on sharing good practices of proposal preparation. We have invited 2 successful applicants in the last exercise, Dr. Fu Wei from Hong Kong Xuan University and Dr. Christine Low from the Open University of Hong Kong, to share the experience in preparing the IDS Collaborative Research Grant proposal and the Faculty Development Scheme Grant proposal, respectively. We are also glad to have with us Professor Helen Meng, the chairman of the assessment panel, really the custodian of this whole scheme, to share with us her insights on the assessment of applications, as well as the 5 subject conveners, Professor Chen Ziting, Professor George Wang, Professor Julie Lee, Professor Kenneth Sin, and Professor Chris Wong, to join the Q&A session. So finally, I'd like to take this opportunity to express my gratitude to all the speakers for sharing their time and valuable experience with us tonight. I hope you'll find this workshop useful. Thank you.